Hello, friends. Today is our 23rd class. Today's topic is the Type tool. We can find it in the toolbar. If we click anywhere, this tool will become active and then we can type here. For example, let's type something. Now, if we press Enter, we can also type below it. After that, if we drag the mouse, a box will appear where the text is already written. We can delete it and type anything we want here. If we go inside the Type tool options, we will find more tools. See, this is the Area Type tool. First, we need to create a shape. Then, we will select the Area Type tool and click on the path of the shape. Now we can type whatever we want, and all the text will stay inside the shape. It won't go outside.
This is the Type on a Path tool. First, we will create a path. Then, we will select this tool and click on the path. After that, we can keep typing along the path. See this?
This is the Vertical Type tool. If we click here, it will type vertically. See, it will keep typing in this direction.